everyone, this is Sam again from fightforex.info, and this video is to show you or walk you through the basic installation steps for our new Forex trends meter MT4 EA. This is a new EA we have recently published, and this video is to show you how to install this EA and get it to work. Once the EA is set up, it looks or shows the currency trends, trends meter in your MT4 chart like this one. Okay, so let's get started. You by now must have received the download link. If not, we can show you how to download the software. But before that, let me quickly go to the page that explains all the features of this MT4 EA. It is on our website, fightforex.info, and the way to get to this is through going to Forex Utilities and then go to this Forex Currency Trends Meter Expert Advisor. This is the way to pay for this EA, or you can, for a limited time, we're running some promotion, you can get it for free also. All that information is available to you on this page. Okay, so let's get back to the installation instructions. By now, once you pay for the EA, you would have received the download link, and you must have downloaded the software. So once you download the software, you will get the exe file like this one, the Forex Currency Trends Meter V1. All you do is right click and extract all. Because this is a zip file, you have to first extract it. It will ask you for the location. Choose where you want to extract the data files. Say extract. I already had done this one, so it's asking me to replace. Say yes. Then the folder opens with these three items in it. You should see the README files folder, the actual EA, which is the EX4 file, and the README file. The README file essentially explains the same set of steps that I'm showing in this video, so we are not going in there. So we are gonna now start installing this on the MetaTrader 4. So open your MetaTrader 4 platform. Open what we call the MetaQuotes language editor. Once that opens up, go to, you have to have this Navigator window open. This is the Navigator. Right click on the folder that says experts, click on open folder. This will open all the folder where all your expert advisors are stored. Go back to the folder where you extracted the EA. Just right click on the EX4 file, copy, go back to the folder where all your EAs are, right click, paste. Of course, now I already have this, so it's asking me to replace. So you will not get this pop-up. Once you have put this EX4 file in here, go back to your MetaTrader 4, open the Navigator window. This is the Navigator window. Let's expand this a little bit. If I can move my mouse. Yep. Now, right click on Expert Advisors and refresh. When you refresh, you should see the newly added Currency Trends Meter EA here, right? Now, open any chart. Let's open AUD, CAD. It doesn't matter, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hours, doesn't matter. And let's double click on this first, okay? So before you add the EA, you have to take care of a few things, right? You see the first parameter is this URL. This is the URL with which this expert advisor communicates and gets all the currency trends data. So first step is to copy this and make sure it is added to the list of allowed URLs. So click cancel, come out of that window and go to tools, options, and under this expert advisor, make sure that URL is added. So for me, it's already added here. All you have to do is double click, create a new box and paste, right? That's all you have to do. And then click OK. For me, I've already added this, so I'm not going to add this again. Maybe it got added anyway. Okay, good. That was the first step and the most important step. Don't forget to do that. So now go back here, double click on this so it can go back to adding the EA on the chart. Now the second variable, this is another important step, is your API key, right? Now API key is something that you have received with your purchase, right? So it may be in the email that we sent you, or it may be in the members area. So I will quickly show you where to go to get this key if you don't have it yet, okay? So come back to the site, fightforex.info. Then go to currency strengths and trends. And on this page, you'll see the link to our currency strengths and trends website. On this side, you'll see the members area, right? So if you don't have the key and if you haven't received it, you can quickly get it by creating a free account. Click register, follow the process, make sure you read all the disclaimers, etc. And once you have successfully registered, come back and log in. So if you log in to the account, towards the center, so just under your password, there is this field called as your key, right? So take that key, copy that key as is, come back here and put that in this field, okay? Once you put that in this field, you should then be all set, okay? Okay, so we're back. So I've entered the key and click OK, right? Boom. So we go, all that has happened is, let me close this. The EA then in the background has gone back to our website, read all the currency strengths. So just to compare this with what is there on the site right now, let's look at this, trends and the currency trends, right? So this is what we see on the site right now. That's exactly what we see here. NZD-CHF, AUD, NZD, GB, blah, 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 blah. So this is same currency trends meter that's available on the site now got reproduced or replicated in your MetaTrader 4. So you don't have to keep coming back and forth to the site. It has now drawn the same bar chart in your MT4 chart. So quickly looking at how it is working, as you can see, it's red is the downtrend. So NZD-CHF is the strongest downtrend. Let's see if that is the case. Where is NZD-CHF? There it is. See, there is a downtrend. So it's showing the trend, in my opinion, correctly. Very good downtrend for now. That seems to be the strongest. Next one is AUD NZD, but AUD NZD is green, so it's upwards, and so on and so forth. More importantly, you can see here it's showing that it's going to update the trends again in about 800 seconds. So there is a default 900 second update frequency. So it's going to go back to the site and read the new trends and show them to you here. Last but not the least, the more important part is these 3 stars. So you see these 3 stars next to these top 6 or 7 currency pairs. What it's trying to tell you is that these are the good ones. These are the ones you should look at when you're trying to open trades. Um, the ones without the 3 stars are not very strong trends. We don't recommend them for trading. However, this is just a suggestion. This is not something you should take at its face value. Do your own research. We think these are strong trends. That's why we're showing these 3 stars here. But it's really up to you on how you want to use this information. Okay. And this is nothing but the log that will keep updating. So after 15 minutes, it will again try to read the trends. If this successfully reads it, says return code 200. So that's it. That's as simple as that. And keep using this every time it goes back to the site. It reads the currency trends. It's called an API call that it's making to our main site, which is this one, and reading the currency trends. Every time that happens, it's counted as one API call. All our paid members get 200,000 API calls with their purchase, so there's nothing to worry about. It's going to last you a long, long time. Once that quota finishes, you're most welcome to come back to the site in your members area and buy additional quota if you think the EA is useful. Okay, that's how it works. All right, hope you found this video useful and you will be able to use and be successful at your trading.